Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 16 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power x squared. Right, so the first thing we'll do is to make the bases the same. So I'm going to rewrite 16 as 2 to the power 4. So now it becomes 2 to the power 4 all to the power x minus 1 equals 2 to the power x squared. Now the next thing is to apply this rule that says a to the power x all to the power y is the same as a to the power x times y. So I can multiply those two exponents on the left hand side and I have 2 to the power 4x minus 4 equals 2 to the power x squared. Now the next thing is, if the bases are the same, we can equate the exponents. If a exponent x equals a exponent y, then x equals y. So we can equate the exponents here, and now 4x minus 4 equals x squared. Next thing is to rearrange that so we have a nice quadratic equation. And now we can solve that quadratic equation, and we get x minus 2 squared is equal to 0. And we know this will give us a repeated solution of 2. So x equals 2. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.